welcome to the phonics lesson of letter Y. Do watch the video till end and make your children learn sound of letter Y effortlessly. And if you have still not subscribed to my channel, please do it right now. Do press the bell icon so that you do not miss any of my upcoming videos. All right. So today we are going to meet this letter Y. Y has come to see you all today. And Y is a, I knew which with what color I had made this letter. What is the color?
What is the color of this letter?
Yellow.
Yellow. What is the color, Ira? Kirtika? Hello, Aisha. Yellow. Okay. Yellow. Okay, tell me, do you want to make a sad face for Y or a happy face for Y? Which face should I make?
No.
Happy face or a sad face?
Happy face.
Happy face. Okay, then what is the sound when you say happy?
Ha, ma'am.
Ha ha. Happy face for letter Y. Letter Y is smiling and looking at all of you. Who all are you? What is your name? Letter Y is asking you. Hello, children. Can you all tell me your names, please? What is your name? Who will tell your the name first? Who is going to tell the name first? Who will say hi to letter Y today first?
Hi, Kai.
Hello, Y. My name is. Tell your name to letter Y.
My name is Kritika.
My name is Kirtika. My name is Shiv. Ira, you also tell your name to letter Y.
Me,
My name is
I.
Ira. Okay. And Ashrit, would you like to tell your name to letter Y? What is your name? Letter Y is asking you. Tell letter Y your name. My name is Ashrit. Say
Ashley.
Ashrit. Say Ashrit. See, Ira is saying your name. Okay, so letter Y says, I'm so happy to meet all children. You are so good children. Will you be my friend?
Ashley. Yes.
Yes. We are going to be friends with letter Y. Okay. Now, how can you make letter Y? When you put both your arms up like this, right? And this is a standing line down. Your hand should go like that. Y. This is letter Y. Yes, not straight like this. Slanted. Essay. This is letter Y. Okay. Now, Acha, I asked you that what color is this letter Y? What color is this letter Y? It's yellow color. Right? So when you say yellow, which is the first sound that you hear? Yellow. What is the sound? Yellow. Letter Y says, do you know my sound? My sound is y. What is my sound? Yes. And when you say yes also, all of you say yes. Say that. Yes. Yes also has your sound. Right or wrong?
Wrong, ma'am.
Wrong. When you say yes, what sound do you hear?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, so today we are going to listen to story of letter Y. And would you like to listen to the story? Letter Y is asking.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, all
Yes,
right.
ma'am.
Let's go to the next page and let's do story of letter Y. But you all have to listen to the story very, very nicely. Otherwise, letter Y will start crying. You are not listening to my story. Like that. Okay. So letter Y will become sad if you will not listen to the story of letter Y. Okay, so let's go to the next page. and let's start our story. So in our story today, we have a very cute girl again. And that girl's name starts from what sound? From ear sound. Y's sound is ear. Okay, so let's see what's her name. Can you guess a name from ear sound? Who can guess a name from ear sound? Who can guess?
Really?
Huh?
Me.
Okay, tell me.
Give me the name starting with letter.
What is her name? Yes, Saira, tell me.
This
She is, yeah, her name is,
name.
what is that? Okay, I'll tell you. Okay, I'll tell you an easy name. It starts from ear sound. Okay, her name is Yana. What's her name?
Liana.
Yana. All of you say loudly. Yana. Yana. Say that.
Yeah.
Yana. Very good. Okay. So Yana is saying hi to everyone. Hello, Ira. Hi, Shiv. Hello, Ashrit. Hello, Kirtiga. I am Yana. Who is she? She is Yana. Okay. So Yana loves to do exercise. Do you all like to do exercise? Do you every day you do exercise or not? How many of you do that?
Not ma'am.
Not, ma'am. We should do it, ma'am. Okay. So Yana loves to exercise every day because doing that keeps you healthy, keeps you fit. So you know what kind of exercise she likes to do? Let me tell you. One day in the morning, she was doing this. Now I'm going to draw that. You are going to tell me that what is she doing? Okay. Yana loves to do I'm drawing Yana again, and this time Yana is doing something. You have to tell what is Yana doing. Okay. This is Yana's hands, arms, and this is how Yana is standing. And tell me what is Yana doing here? What is Yana doing? What exercise is this when you do like these positions? What do you call such exercise? Who knows this?
Yoga.
Yes, Ashrit says yoga. So Yana loves to do yoga. And yoga, when you say yoga, what sound do you hear? Yeah. Yeah. Yoga. Everybody say that? Yeah. Yeah. Yoga. Very good. Ira, say that? Yeah. Yeah. Yoga. And Kirtiga, you also say that? Yeah. Yes. Yoga. So one day, early morning, she got up and she was outside her house on the green grass. She's doing yoga. Okay. So that's how every day she does like that. She loves to get up early in the morning and she does her yoga. So one day she was doing her yoga, her brother came up. Now you know what is the name of her brother? Let me draw. Her brother is very naughty boy. So here his brother came. And his name is, what is his name? His name also starts from the same sound. Which sound? Which sound his name starts from? His name starts from which sound? Tell me. Yeah. His name starts from yeah.
Why?
Yes, the sound of Y. His name starts from Y. He says, okay, today all of you have come here. हाँ,
वीना
क्या नाम है?
इसका नाम है वीना
वेना इसका नाम य से शुरू होगा. ठीक है आयरा? य. सो इसका नाम है, द नेम ऑफ द बॉय इज युवराज. व्हाट इज हिज नेम? Yuvraj. Yuvraj. Now Yuvraj, and in Yana calls her UV. Yana calls him UV. What does she call him? UV. Okay. So Yana says, meet my brother UV. All of you say hi, UV. How are you? UV. Can you say hi to UV? Hi, UV. Hello, UV. Are you a naughty boy, UV?
boy कभी नाम है लोभी
ना UV नहीं, UV. Ira, say UV.
लोभी
UV. Yes. Kirtika, say UV. Yes, UV. So UV and Yana was doing yoga that day. UV came and UV says, do you know which is the favorite color of my sister? He says, my sister's favorite color is, what is the color of clothes UV is wearing? What color clothes UV is wearing, Shiv? Tell me.
yellow
Yes, yellow. Yellow. Very good. So, UV says, you know, I'm wearing my sister's favorite color today. Yana's favorite color is yellow. Look at my sister. She is doing yoga. How many of you would like to do yoga with my sister Yana? Would you like to do yoga with my sister today? Yes or no? We will do yoga after the class, okay? So, yes. So now UV says, because UV is a very naughty boy, okay? He says, I am going to trouble my sister today. She's doing yoga. Let me go and trouble her a little. And see what he had in his hand. He's having something in his hand. And what is this called? I'm sure you all know what is it called. Let me draw and you will tell me what is he having in his hand. He's having a... What game is this? Which toy is this? Which toy is this? Which you throw and it comes back, you throw and it comes back. What is it? It's a... Nobody knows this toy. What? No, Ira. Shiv, do you know which toy is this?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Kirtika, do you know what is this? No? Okay, I'll tell you. This is a yo-yo. What toy is it? Yo-yo. Yes. Yo-yo. And UV says, I have a yo-yo in my hand. I will throw it to Yana and I will disturb her today. And he started disturbing Yana, throwing it and getting it back, throwing it, and then it was coming back. And Yana says, what are you doing, UV? Can't you see I am doing yoga? Why are you disturbing me with your yo-yo? He says, yeah, UV says, I will disturb you. I like to disturb you a lot. So then Yana says, I'm going to complain to Mama. And then see, Mama is going to scold you. So he ran away. He ran away and ran away with his, what is this toy now? Now, do you remember what is this toy? Tell me.
Yo-yo man.
Yo-yo. So he says, okay, I'm going and I'm going. I'll play with my yo-yo. Bye-bye. You can. Yes, yo-yo. And then, yes, and then Yuvraj ran away from there and he was playing with yo-yo. So then Yana was smiling again and she was doing her yoga. Okay, then she was very, very tired, right? And she was very, very hungry also. So now she's finished her yoga. So Mama says, here is her nearby only. Outside her house only she's doing yoga, right? This is her house. So now Mummy says it's time to have something. And what is the favorite thing that Yana and Yuvraj likes to eat? What is the favorite thing? So Mummy came out from here and Mummy says, okay, children, it's time to have some. This is Mama came out and Mama says, okay, come in, children. Come, Yana. Come here, Yuvraj. Come here, Yana, and have yummy, yummy yogurt. Do you know what is yogurt? Do you know what is yogurt? Yogurt is another name for curd. And when you put lots of fruits into it, like you make yogurt with strawberries, with mango flavor, and you can make any flavored yogurt. So she got the bowl of yogurt for them and she says it's time to have yogurt. Okay, what is this? Repeat after me. Say yogurt.
Yogurt.
Yogurt. So Yuvraj and Yana ran and went inside the house and say, yes, yogurt is our favorite. I would like to have 2 bowls of yogurt. How many of you eat yogurt? Do you eat yogurt? Kirtika, Ira, Shiv, do you
Yes,
eat yogurt?
ma'am.
Very good. Eating yogurt is very good for health. You should eat yogurt. Okay. So then they had their yogurt. Now Yana says, Yuvraj says, such a long tiring day and we had lots of play also. I had played with my yo-yo and Yana says, I had done so much of yoga today and it's evening time and they are feeling very lazy. And when you feel lazy, when you open your mouth like this and you do like that, what is it called? Oh, I'm feeling very sleepy. And you do like this. What is it called? Yeah. Anybody knows? Anybody knows?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so many new words you are learning today. It is called yawn.
No, ma'am.
I'm yawning. Yawning. Oh, now yawn everybody and show me how do you yawn. Oh, sleepy. Show me how will you do that. Show me how will you do that. Very good. So this is called yawn. What is it called? Yawn. So when you are very tired, then you yawn. So then Mummy says, take a small nap. Would you like to have a small nap? Power nap? Would you like to sleep in the evening? So they says, yes. What do they say? Yes. When you say yes, this is how when you agree to something, then you say yes. 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 We would like to sleep. So Yana and Yuvraj, they both went to their beds and they slept. Okay. So the story of Yana and Yuvraj ends here. So how was the story? Did you like the story of Yana and Don't forget to subscribe. If you haven't done it in the beginning, please do it right now.